Hello everyone, good day, and today I'm going to discuss about cross tabulations. So cross tabulation is a tabular summary of data for two value variables. As you can see in the table below, in table 9, we have the quality rating of 150 websites and monthly cost of running the website. So we have our element here, the company's website with its variables quality rating and a cost in dollars. So you can see here, we have some entries here, the different types of websites, the these are the different websites, up to 150 websites. And we have here the quality rating with good, very good, and excellent. And the cost of having that particular website. So we have here, for example, for our one observation, we have one value of our company's website with the rating of good, and the value is $18. Another would be number two website with a quality rating of very good, and it costs around $22. So, to make a cross tabulation table, this is what you're going to do, no? We have the quality rating over here with our rating good, very good, and excellent. And the monthly cost, these are the different costs, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and 40 to $49 with the total. So in reviewing table 10, we see that the greatest number of websites in the sample, that's 32, this one. So as you can see here, the biggest number is 32, no? Have a very good rating and a cost of 20 to $29. Only one website has an excellent rating. So only one website has an excellent rating and cost in 10 to $19 range. This one. And note that the right and bottom margins of the cross tabulation provides the frequency distributions for quality rating and cost separately. So we are total for 10 to $19 is 39, for 20 to 29 is 59, for 30 to 39 is 38, for 40 to 49 is 14. While for the quality rating for good, we have a total of 42, for very good that is 75, excellent is 33. So if you're going to add it up, this will be equivalent to 150. And if you're going also to add these numbers, this is also 150. So we see the data on the quality rating show 42 good websites, 75 very good websites, and 33 excellent websites. Then the bottom margin shows the frequency distribution for the monthly cost. So, okay, let's try to, okay. So this is the step, guys. So dividing, so we're going to have the relative frequency and percent frequency of quality rating. So as you can see here, the good is 0.28, the very good is 0.5, and the excellent is 0.22. How do we get this one? To get this relative frequency, what you will do is for the good, that's 42 divided by 150. So I'm going to have a calculator. Let's try to have a calculator. Going to add that. Okay. Going to have a calculator here. And let's try to compute, no? Let's try to compute that. 42 divided by 150. That's the 0.28. And that is also same with the other numbers, no? Same with the other numbers. 75. So this is the answer now, 0.28, no? And we also have 75 divided by 150. So that is 0.5. This is the answer. And the last one, 33 divided by 150 equals 0.22. So if you're going to add it up, this is our relative frequency. You add 0.22 plus 0.5 plus 0.28. That would be equal to 1.00. And to get the percent frequency, you're going to multiply 0.28 by 100. That's why 0.28 times 100, because it's a percent. So that's 28. Then 0.5 plus times 100 equals 50. 0.22 times 100 equals 22. So you add it up, 22 plus 50 plus 28 equals 100. So this will be your relative frequency and percent frequency of quality rating. So after that, we are going to compute for the relative frequency for 10 to $19, 20 to $19, and 30. So this is just the same process. So what we do, let's go back there above, no? So you're going to divide, okay, for 10 to $19, you can see here there are how many? There are 39, no? 39 divided by 150. 39 divided by 150. So let's try to compute that. 39 divided by 150 equals 0.26. So that's correct, no? And you're going to compute also for the other um, this one, 59. 59 divided by 150, 38 divided by 150, and 14 divided by 150. So let's try to compute. 59 divided by this information. 59 divided by 150 equals 0.39. So that's 0.39. Then the next is what's that number? That number is 38. 38 and 14. So 38 divided by 150, that would be equal to 0.25. And the last one, 14 divided by 150 equals 0.09. And you add it up, that would be equal to 1.0. And you multiply this by 100, that will become 26, same as what we did above, no? Same as what we did above. So there's a note here. Note that the sum of the values in each column does not add exactly to the column total because the values being summed are rounded. From the percent frequency, we see that 26% of the monthly costs are in the lowest monthly class, 10 to 19, 39% are in the next higher class, and so on. This one, guys. So the frequency and relative frequency distributions constructed from the margins of a cross tabulation provide information about each of the variables individually, but they do not shed any light of the relationship between the variables. The primary value of a cross tabulation lies in the insight it offers about the relationship between the variables. So a review of the cross tabulation in Table 10 reveals that higher monthly costs are associated with higher quality websites, and the lower the monthly cost are associated with a lower quality website. So what we'll do next is we're going to convert the entries in a cross tabulation into row percentages or column percentages can provide more insight into the relationship between the two variables. So for row percentages, the result of dividing each frequency in table 10 by its corresponding row total are shown in table 13. So each row of the table 13 is a percent frequency distribution of monthly cost for one quality rating categories. Of the websites with the lowest quality rating good, we see that the greatest percentages are for the less expensive websites. 50% have 10 and 15, so we have there the information now. 14 to 19, that's the raw percentages for each quality rating. So for the good, we have 10 to 19, that's 50, no? For the very good is 22.7, and for the excellent is 3. So how is this computed? It would be computed by the here. I'd like to let you see guys there. Uh, okay, there you go. 21 over 39. So 21 over 39, let's try to compute that. 21 over 39, if the answer is the same. Okay, we have the 50. Where do we get the 50? Uh, for the good. Ten to 19. Okay, 10 to 19. That's 21 divided by 42. Okay, 21 divided by 42, that's 50. So that's for the good. Then very good is um, this 22.07. 22.7 is you get this by dividing um, this one, 17 divided by 75. Let's try to check. 17 divided by 175 equals 0.09. 0.09, is that correct? 0.09. Why, it's 22.7. 17 divided by 75. 17 divided by 75. 17 divided by 75. There you go. That's 22.7. So what we put here is 22. And the other one for 1, for the 1 is 1 divided by 33. So 1 divided by 33. 3%. That's 3%. So let's try to see if that is correct. So that's 22.7 and 3%. So correct. 47.6, you can compute that by mm, I need to create another uh, I need to create another guys, another, so that we will not browse now. We're going to print screen the information, this information, print screen, and I'm going to include that here sa atong kuan. Capture, MS Paint. So, okay, so let's try to drag the answer, correct answer. Okay, there you go. So let's check now. Mm, so there, for 47.6, for our PowerPoint. There's, okay, that's the answer now, the monthly cost. And we are going to look at the, excuse me for a while, this one, the given. So this is the given. So for 20, for here, for 20 divided by 42, 20 divided by 42, the answer is 47.6 times 100. The answer is 47.6. So as you can see there, that's the 47.6. Is this an MS Paint? Where is the MS Paint? We're not able to paste with so what you'll do is you just divide uh, the value here, 21 divided by 42, and that would be your answer. Okay, so as you can see here, so to make it clear, no? So this is our given, and we're going to create the raw percentages for each quality rating category. So what you will do here is that uh, to have the answer of 50, you need to divide 21 by 42, no? And you get 50%. Then this one, 17 divided by 75. This one, 1 divided by 33. So you can get this information. For this one, so 20 divided by 42 times 100, no? You multiply that with 100. Then 32, let's try to solve that using our calculator. So 20 divided by 42 times 100. So the answer is 47.6. So that's this one, 47.6. Then we also have 32 divided by 75 equals times 100. So that is 42.7. Then number 7 divided by 33 times 100 equals 21.2. Then this one divided by 42 times 100. So that's 2.4. So that's why we have 2.4 here. This one 23 over 75 times 100 equals 30.6. This one 30.6. And we have 14 divided by 14 divided by 33 times 100 equals 42.4. Okay, so if you add this up, that would be equals to 100. Also this one, very good and for excellent. So I hope you know how to create raw percentages for each quality rating category based on our given sample. So thank you very much for watching, no, for our topic for cross tabulations. I hope you can do it. That is your activity for this week, no? Because I'll be leaving for what you call this one in Sindangan for the celebration of the uh, s- civil service month. Thank you very much, and I hope you will make kindly make the Google form. By the way, you have to make the Google form also. There are a lot of students who are able to make it, so you can all there's no reason that you can do it. Thank you very much, and always remember learning is lifetime. Bye everyone. See you next week.